Hello everyone, my name is Jan Axel Ogramio and I'm taking up the course of BET Automotive Technology, Section B, and I will talk about the importance of understanding the self for our future career. It is really important for us to understand ourselves for our future career. There are many reasons why it is important, and here are some key reasons why understanding is essential for our future career. First is self-awareness. Having a clear understanding of your motivations, values, and areas of strength and weaknesses help us to choose a career that fits our interests and goals. It supports us in determining our areas of strength and room for growth in what we do. Second is decision making. By considering our own values, beliefs, and future goals into consideration, self-awareness will help us in making better choices. Lastly is adaptively and growth improving. Self-awareness help us grow, learn from mistakes, and adjust to new situations. A growth mindset is developed by self-awareness, which motivates us to take on challenge, get feedback, and learn new abilities in order to succeed in what you do. In simple words, understanding ourselves is like having a map for our career journey. It will help us our strengths, weaknesses, and what motivates us. This self-awareness guides us in making the right career choices. Communicating effectively with others, setting achievable goals, and growing both personally and professionally. Importantly, self-awareness is an excellent foundation that can help us succeed in your professional that we choose to take in the future to come.